Hello, everyone. Ashley Connor again. We are going over Chapter 2, Identifying a Research Problem. This presentation focuses on Chapter 2 and Dr. Ely's breakdown of how to identify the research problem. I'll cover the main points of the chapter, talk about what stood out to me, and reflect on how its connections to my future research and professional responsibilities. When we look at chapter two's overview, it dives into the structure of a research problem. Dr. Ely explains that identifying a strong research problem is central to conducting meaningful research. He breaks down how a research problem differs from a topic. A topic is broad, which a problem identifies a specific issue that needs to be studied. We also learn how research problems differ in quantitative versus qualitative approaches. Quantitative research ev- involves variables and measurable outcomes, while qualitative research focuses on perspectives and contextualized understanding. Each method used to clearly needs a stated problem to be effective. Quantitative versus qualitative research. Quantitative research often includes independent and dependent variables, hypothesis testing, and generalizable results based on sampling, while qualitative research digs deep into the experiences of participants. It's about understanding the themes, stories, and cultural context. Dr. Ely explains about people eating corn on Tuesdays may have seemed funny, but it helped us understand how qualitative researchers trace behaviors back to the root causes of social norms. When we're looking at new insights, something that kind of stood out to me in the presentation was one major insight was the importance of a strong narrative hook. Just like in a good story, your research problems need to grasp the reader's attention. Dr. Ely explained that the first few paragraphs are crucial. They start to paint the big picture and then gradually narrow the focus. Another valuable point is about credibility. Until your work is published and peer reviewed, you're quote unquote nobody, as Dr. Ely states in the academic terms. While blunt, that message reinforced the importance of using literature to support your problems and your purpose to make sure that you're getting it across to everyone. How I can apply this to my profession. So I kind of dug a little deep with this, and in my professional role, I regularly observe challenges that could benefit in research backed solutions. Chapter two helped me think more critically about how to write a research problem that is feasible, grounded in evidence, and relevant to the stakeholders. Whether I'm drafting a proposal or launching a program, these skills will help ensure my work is impactful and rooted in meaningful inquiry. Writing a research problem, we also explored how the research to write a research problem statement using the funnel approach, starting broad, then narrowing the focus. This structure includes identifying a topic, stating a problem, pointing out deficits in its current research, and describing the audience that will be beneficial. Dr. Ely emphasizes the importance of using literature to support each section. It's not just about your opinion, it's about what has been validated in the field. So, getting that backing and that support from the qualitative and the quantitative research or mixed methods research is very important, because that also provides substance to the research in which the topic you are doing, and it provides a lesson. In summary, chapter two reminded me that developing a strong research problem is is foundation. You have to go back to that hook and getting your audience and the research that you're wanting to do to the audience in which it's going to serve the purpose for. It guides the purpose, questions, and designs for the entire study. I'm excited to apply these lessons in both my doctoral work and my leadership roles in intercollegiate athletics. I appreciate you guys watching, and I look forward to all of the feedback.